Good morning, students. So in previous video we are discussing about part D question, that is question number 39 and 40. Question number 39 belongs to under relations and functions. Question number 40 belongs to under algebra of matrices. Okay, now today we will discuss continuation in part D, that is question number 41, that is belongs to under determinants, most important and easiest. So 41st question ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, determinant topic ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is 5 mark question. The question like this: solve the following system of equations by using matrix method. That is 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 5, x minus 2y then plus z is equal to minus 4, 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 3. To solve these three system of equations using matrix method, it means to find the value of x, y, z by using the matrices. Now how to solve? Look here. Now step number 1, that is 5 mark question. Correct note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First step is take A is the matrix. Write the coefficients of x, y, z in left hand side value. What are the coefficients of x, y, z in first line? 2, 3, 3. Okay. Second line 1 minus 2 1. Third line 3 minus 1 minus 2. This is A matrix. Now to find three unknown values, that is x, y, z denoted by capital X. Let capital X is equal to three unknown values x, y, z. Then right side constant terms, call it as B. B is equal to constant values are 5 minus 4 3. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮೊದಲೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈ ಥರ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವೈ, ಝೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ತ್ರೀ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ. Okay, therefore these three matrices satisfying the equation A into x is equal to B. A into x equal to B. A into x ಇದು ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A into x, first row by first column, 2x plus 3y plus 3z is there, is equal to corresponding number is 5. Now to find three unknown values, that is x, y, z value, therefore capital X is equal to, how to write? A inverse into B. Okay. Now first to find A inverse. What is the formula for inverse matrix? You know. What is that? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. That is the formula. Now first to find determinant of A. Now determinant of A is equal to determinant. ಏನಿದೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸು? 2, 3, 3. 1 minus 2 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ 2 ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ರೋ, ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಲಮ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ನಾವು ಡಿಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 4 numbers. What are the numbers? Determinant minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Next minus 3 lies in which row? First row. Which column? Second column. Deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers. 1 1 3 minus 2. Okay. Next plus 3 into 3 lies in which row? First row. Which column? Third column. Deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers. 1 minus 2 3 minus 1. Okay. Then expand it. How to expand? The difference of the cross multiplication. ಹ್ಯಾಗೆ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 difference minus 1 into 1 minus 1, right? Minus 3 again, 1 into minus 2 minus 2 difference minus 3 into 1 3. Okay. Plus 3, expand it, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 difference minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Okay. Then simplify. 2 4 minus into minus plus 4 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 6 is equal to 4 plus 1 5, 5 2s are 10, minus into minus plus 3 5s are 15, 6 minus 1 5, 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 10 40, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix is non-singular matrix. Definition of singular and non-singular. The given matrix is non-singular, inverse matrix exists. Suppose the given matrix is singular matrix. One ವೇಳೆ determinant of a value 0 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is said to be singular. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 0 ಬಂದಾಗ inverse exist ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? No. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ determinant of a value 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ any number upon 0 not defined. So that is given matrix must be non-singular. If it is non-singular, inverse matrix exists. Now we got determinant of A. Next, to find adjoint of A. Definition of adjoint: transpose of the corresponding cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors, because there are 9 elements. Now to find one by one cofactor, how to write? Now here to find one by one, C11, 1 plus 1 2, 2 is even number plus. Okay, now determinant 1 1 indicate by deleting first row first column we will get 4 numbers, namely minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 2. Then the difference of the cross multiply plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, difference minus minus 1 into 1 minus 1, that is plus 4 minus into minus plus 1, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, next C12, 1 plus 2 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, alternative sign. 1 2 indicate deleting first row second column, 4 numbers, 1 1 3 minus 2, 1 1 3 minus 2, that is minus difference of the cross multiply, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, difference minus 3 into 1 3, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, minus sign as it is, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, minus into minus plus 5. Okay, next C13, 1 plus 3 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting first row third column, 4 numbers, 1 minus 2 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2 3 minus 1, plus difference of the cross multiply, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, difference minus another diagonal, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, that is plus of minus 1 minus into minus plus 6. Now minus 1 plus 6 plus 5. First row over, then take second row, C21, 2 plus 1 3, 3 odd number, minus sign. Now deleting second row first column, 4 numbers, 3 3 minus 1 minus 2, 3 3 minus 1 minus 2, minus expand it, the difference of the cross multiply ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, difference minus sign, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, that is minus minus 6 minus into minus plus 3, minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, that minus into minus plus 3. Correct? Next C22, 2 plus 2 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, 2 2 indicate deleting second row second column, 4 numbers, 2 3 3 minus 2, 2 3 3 minus 2, plus expand it, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, difference minus 3 into 3 9, so minus 4 minus 9 minus 13. Next C23, 2 plus 3 5, 5 is odd number, negative sign. Okay, now deleting second row third column, 2 3 3 minus 1, 2 3 3 minus 1, minus the difference of the cross multiply, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, difference minus 3 into 3 9, minus minus 2 minus 9 minus 11, minus into minus plus 11, second row over. Next third row, C31, 3 plus 1 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, right? Now 3 1 indicate deleting third row first column, 4 numbers, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. 3, 3 minus 2, 1 is equal to plus difference of the cross multiply. 3 into 1, 3. Difference minus. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Right? That is plus. Minus into minus plus. 3 plus 6, 9. C3, 2. Minus, because 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is odd number, negative sign. 3, 2 indicate. Deleting third row, second column. 2, 3, 1, 1. ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? 2, 3, 1, 1. Minus. The difference of the cross multiply. 2 ones are 2. Minus 1 3s are 3. That is minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. C3 3. 3 plus 3 5. 3 plus 3 6. 6 is even number. Positive sign. 3 3 indicate. Deleting third row, third column. 4 numbers. 2 3 1 minus 2. 2 3 1 minus 2. Expand plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Difference minus 1 into 3 3. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. These are the cofactors. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 9 cofactors ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಒಂದು cofactor ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, we got the cofactors. Now to find adjoint. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to definition of adjoint, transpose of the corresponding cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors. Take one by one. C11 5, C12 5, C13 is also 5, C21 3, C22 minus 13, C23 is 11, C31 is plus 9, C32 is 1, C33 minus 7. It's transpose. Okay, that is equal to definition of transpose. Interchanging the rows and columns. First row dalli iddanಥ elements anna first column alli ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 5 5 5. Okay, second column 3 minus 13 11. Third column 9 1 minus 7. This is adjoint of matrix. We got adjoint. Okay, therefore A inverse is equal to therefore A inverse is equal to A inverse formula ಏನಿದೆ? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. 1 by determinant of A. Determinant of A value 40 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A value 5 3 9. 5 minus 13 1. 5 11 minus 7. This is A inverse. We got A inverse. Now multiply by B matrix. Therefore capital X is equal to A inverse into B. You know the value of A inverse. A inverse is 1 by 40 into 5 3 9. 5 minus 13 1. 5 11 minus 7. A inverse into B. What is B matrix? B matrix is right side values. 5 minus 4 3. Okay, then multiply. So capital X is equal to 1 by 40 into multiply row by column. This is 3 cross 3 matrix, that is 3 cross 1 matrix. After multiplication it is a matrix of order 3 cross 1, 3 cross 3, 3 cross 1, 3 vanish, 3 cross 1. So multiply row by column. 5 into 5 25, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, 9 into 3 plus 27. Second row by first column. 5 into 5 25, minus 13 into minus 4, 13 4s are 52, 1 into 3 plus 3. Then 5 into 5 25, 11 into minus 4 minus 44, minus 7 into 3 minus 21. Okay, so capital X is equal to 1 by 40 into 25 minus 12, 13. 13 plus 27, 40. 25 plus 52 plus 3, 55. 55 plus 25, 60 plus 20, 80. 25 minus 21, 4. Minus 44 plus 4, that is minus 40. Therefore, but the value of capital X is X, Y, Z is equal to 1 by 40 into 40 multiply by 1 by 40, 1 by 40 into 40, 1, 1 by 40 into 80, 2, 1 by 40 into minus 40, minus 1. Clearly these two matrices are having the same order, are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. X equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, Z is equal to minus 1. Now these are the values using matrix method. ನೀವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -4 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗೋವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಂತರ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್. ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎನಿದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. Write the coefficients of x, y, z. 3 minus 2, 3. Second line 2, coefficient of I 1, coefficient of z minus 1. Third line 4 minus 3, 2. This is A matrix. Now to find 3 unknown values denoted by capital X, let capital X is equal to x, y, z. And constant terms denoted by B. Capital B is equal to 8, 1, 4. Therefore, these three matrices satisfying the equation A into x equal to B. This implies capital X is equal to A inverse into B. Now to find A inverse, you know the formula for inverse matrix. A inverse is equal to ಏನಿದೆ formula? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2. Expand it, plus minus plus. So determinant of A is equal to 3 into bracket. Deleting first row, first column, you will get 4 numbers. 1 minus 1 minus 3, 2. Okay, next minus into minus plus 2. 2 lies in first row, second column. Deleting first row, second column. 2 minus 1, 4, 2. Plus 3 into deleting first row, third column. 2, 1, 4 minus 3. Okay, then expand it. 3 into, first you take the principal diagonals. 1 into 2, 2. Difference minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. 2 into 2, 4. Difference minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 3. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Difference minus 4 into 4. Okay. So 3. 2 minus 3 plus 2 into 4 minus into minus plus 4 plus 3 into minus 6 minus 4. 3 into 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 into 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3 into minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. So 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 8 2s are 16. Plus into minus 3 10s are 30. Minus 3 minus 30 minus 33. Minus 33 plus 16 minus 17, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix is non-singular. Next, to find adjoint. Definition of adjoint: transpose of the cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors, because the matrix of order 3 cross 3, 9 cofactors. Now to find one by one cofactor, C11 plus, because 1 plus 1 2, 2 is even number, positive sign, 1 1 indicate deleting first row first column 4 numbers, 1 minus 1 minus 3 2, expand it, plus the difference of the cross multiply, 1 into 2 2, difference, minus 3 into minus 1, minus into minus, plus 3 into 1 3, that is 2 minus 3 minus 1. C12 minus, because 1 plus 2 3, 3 is odd number, negative sign, 1 2 indicate deleting first row second column 4 numbers, 2 minus 1 4 2, 2 minus 1 4 2, minus the difference of the cross multiply, 2 into 2 4, difference, minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4, that is minus into minus, plus 4 plus 4 8, here in the minus sign there, that is minus 8, correct? Next, C13 plus, because 1 plus 3 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting first row third column 4 numbers, 2 1 4 minus 3, 2 1 4 minus 3, plus the difference of the cross multiply, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, difference, minus 4 into 1 4, so minus 6 minus 4 minus 10, minus into plus, minus 10. Next, C21, 2 plus 1 3, 3 is odd number, negative sign, deleting second row first column 4 numbers, minus 2 3 minus 3 2, okay, that is minus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, difference, minus sign barkumbadanu, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, that is minus minus into minus, plus minus 4 plus 9 5, that is minus sign as it is, minus 5. C22, 2 plus 2 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting second row second column 4 numbers, 3 3 4 2, 3 3 4 2, plus the difference of the cross multiply, 3 2s are 6, difference, minus 4 3s are 12, 6 minus 12 minus 6. C23 minus, because 2 plus 3 5, 5 odd number, negative sign, deleting second row third column, 3 minus 2 4 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4 minus 3, minus the difference of the cross multiply, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, difference, minus 4 into minus 2 minus 8, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು, minus 9 minus into minus plus 8, minus 9 plus 8 minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, correct? Next, C31, 3 plus 1 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting third row first column 4 numbers, minus 2 3 1 minus 1, plus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, difference, minus 1 into 3 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. C32, 3 plus 2 5 is odd number, negative sign, deleting third row second column 4 numbers, 3 3 2 minus 1, 3 3 2 minus 1, minus the difference of the cross multiply, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, difference, minus 2 3s are 6, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, that minus into minus plus 9. Then C33, 3 plus 3 4, sorry 6 is even number, positive sign, deleting third row third column 4 numbers, 3 minus 2 2 1, 3 minus 2 2 1, plus the difference of the cross multiply, 3 into 1 3, difference, minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4, that is equal to 3 minus into minus plus 4, 3 plus 4 7. These are the cofactors. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A is equal to, definition of adjoint, transpose of the corresponding cofactors. How many cofactors? 9. C11 minus 1, C12 minus 8, C13 minus 10, C21 minus 5, C22 minus 6, C23 1, C31 minus 1, C32 9, C33 7. Its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, -1 -8 -10, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ -5 -6 1, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ -1 9 7. This is adjoint of a square matrix. Therefore, A inverse is equal to, formula you know, 1 by determinant of A, 1 by determinant of A value -17 into adjoint. Adjoint of matrix ಏನಿದೆ, -1 -5 -1. Don't write this one, ಇದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. -8 -6 9, -10 1 7. ಇದು A inverse. Therefore, to find capital X is equal to A inverse value 1 by -17 into -1 -5 -1, -8 -6 9, -10 1 7 into B. B matrix 8 1 4. Okay. Then simplify. -1 by 17 into, multiply row by column. This is 3 cross 3 matrix, that is 3 cross 1 matrix. After multiplication it is a matrix of order 3 cross 1. Row by column, -1 into 8 -8, -5 into 1 -5, -1 into 4 -4. Second row by first column, -8 into 8 -64, -6 into 1 -6, 9 into 4 36. Take third row by first column, -10 into 8 -80, -10 into 8 -80, 1 into 1 1, 7 into 4 28. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು, that is -1 by 17 into -8 -5 -13, -13 -4 -17. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, -64 -6 -70, -70 ಅಲ್ಲೇ 36 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ -34, 28 + 1 29, -80 ಅಲ್ಲೇ 29 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -29 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 51 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ಎಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ X y z is equal to, by scalar multiplication, -1 by 17 into -17, 17 cancel, minus into minus +1, 1 by 17 into -34, so 17 ones are 17 twos are, minus into minus plus, 1 by 17 into 51, 17 ones are 17 threes are, minus into minus plus. Clearly these two matrices having the same order are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. This is the matrix method. Artha agirbekalla students idu. Okay, now let us discuss one more problem. Okay, one more problem in matrix method, that is word problem. See that question. The sum of three numbers is 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get 11. By adding first and third number, we get double of second number. We get double of second number. Represent it algebraically and find the numbers using matrix method. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Look here, ಏನಿದೆ? The sum of three numbers is 6. We don't know three numbers. Now let us assume that let the first, second and third number be x, y and z respectively. Three numbers ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವೀಗಲೇ? x, y, z. Now according to the question, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The sum of three numbers is 6. Three numbers are x, y, z. Its sum x plus y plus z is equal to 6. We got first line. Next ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, if we multiply third number by 3, third number is represented by z. ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 3. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 3z ಆಯಿತು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3z. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್, add to second number represented by y, adding y, we get 11. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? y plus 3z is equal to 11. Okay, then third, next, by adding first and third number, first number is x plus third number is z. Adding first and third number, we get double of second number. Second number is y, double, 2 times 2y. Okay, that is rearrange x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Second line, there is no x term, we write x illa, idನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ, 0x plus y plus 3z is equal to 11. Third line, rearrange x, take 2y on left side, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. We got the equation. Now to solve these three equations using matrix method, you know how to solve. First step, take A is the matrix, write the coefficients of x, y, z, 1, 1, 1. Second line 0, coefficient of y1, coefficient of z 3. Third line, coefficient of x1, coefficient of y minus 2, coefficient of z 1. Okay, then to find three numbers x, y, z denoted by capital X is equal to three numbers x, y, z. Constant terms denoted by b. What are the constant numbers? 6, 11, 0. Okay, next step, therefore a into x is equal to b, therefore capital X is equal to a inverse into b. Now a inverse formula, what is a inverse matrix formula? 1 by determinant of a into adjoint of a. Now to find determinant of a, determinant 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1 minus 2, 1. Okay, ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್? 1 into 1 lies in which row? First row. Which column? First column. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply, 1 into 1, 1. Difference minus 2 into 3 minus 6. That minus into minus plus 6. Okay. Next, minus 1 into, again 1 lies in first row. Which column? Second column. Deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers. 0 into 1, 0. Difference minus 1 into 3, 3. Plus 1 into, deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply, 0 into minus 2, 0. Difference minus 1 into 1, 1. Simplify. 1 plus 6, 7. 0 minus 3, minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3, right? 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 1, 9, which is not equal to 0. The given matrix is non-singular matrix. Then to find adjoint of matrix, definition of adjoint, transpose of the cofactors. How many cofactors? Again 9 cofactors. C11 plus, deleting first row, first column. Deleting first row, first column, you will get 4 numbers. 2 cross 2 determinant. First row, first column, 1, 3 minus 2, 1. 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Plus, expand it. The difference of the cross multiply. 1 into 1, 1 minus, difference minus 2 into 3 minus 6. That minus into minus plus 6. ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ C12 ಮೈನಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 3, 3 ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್, ಡಿಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 0 3 1 1 0 3 1 1 minus sign as it is, the difference of the cross multiply 0 into 1 0 difference, minus 1 into 3 3, minus into minus plus 3. Next C13 plus, because 1 plus 3 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting first row third column 4 numbers 0 1 1 minus 2 0 1 1 minus 2 plus 0 into minus 2 0 difference, minus 1 into 1 1 plus into minus minus 1, right? Next C21 second row minus, because 2 plus 1 3 is odd number, negative sign, deleting second row first column ತೆಗಿರಿ 1 1 minus 2 1 1 1 minus 2 1 minus the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 difference, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, that minus into minus plus 2, that is minus 1 plus 2 3. C22 plus, deleting second row second column 4 numbers 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 plus the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 difference, minus 1 into 1 1, that is 0. Next C23 minus, because 2 plus 3 5 odd number, negative sign, deleting second row third column 1 1 1 minus 2 1 1 1 minus 2 minus the difference of the cross multiply 1 into minus 2 difference, minus 1 into 1 1, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, that minus into minus plus 3. Next C31 plus, because 3 plus 1 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting third row first column 4 numbers 1 1 1 3 1 1 1 3 plus the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 3 3 difference, minus 1 into 1 1 3 minus 1 2. Next C32 3 plus 2 5 is odd number, minus sign, deleting third row second column 4 numbers 1 1 0 3 1 1 0 3 minus the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 3 3 difference, minus 0 into 1 0, that is 3 minus 0 3, here minus sign, minus 3. Then C33 plus, because 3 plus 3 6 is even number, by deleting third row third column ನೋಡ್ರಿ, third row third column ತೆಗಿರಿ, third row third column 4 numbers, that is 1 1 0 1, correcta? Deleting third row third column 1 1 0 1, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 0 into 1 0, that is 1. These are the cofactors. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to, definition of adjoint ಏನಿದೆ, transpose of the corresponding cofactors, 9 cofactors. What are those? First cofactor 7, C12 3, C13 minus 1, C21 minus 3, C22 0, C23 3, C31 2, C32 minus 3, C33 1. Its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. 7 3 minus 1 minus 3 0 3 2 minus 3 1. This is adjoint. Therefore A inverse is equal to, you know the formula, 1 by determinant of A. Determinant of A value 9 into adjoint of A. Adjoint value ಏನಿದೆ, 7 minus 3 2 3 0 minus 3, then minus 1 3 1. This is A inverse. Therefore capital X is equal to A inverse into B. This is A inverse, 1 by 9, 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3, minus 1, 3, 1. This is A inverse into B. Constant values 6, 11, 0. Right? Simplify 1 by 9 into multiplication of these two matrices. Row by column. So 7 into 6, 42. Minus 3 into 11, minus 33. Plus 2 into 0, 0. Take second row by first column. 3 into 6, 18. 0 into 11, 0. Minus 3 into 0, 0. Third row by first column. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. 3 into 11, 33. 1 into 0, 0. Is equal to 1 by 9 into 42 minus 33, 9. 18 plus 0 plus 0, 18. 33 minus 6, how much? 27. Correct, ala? But the value of capital X is x, y, z is equal to 1 by 9 into 9 by scalar multiplication. Eshtagutte 1. 1 by 9 into 18, 9 ones are 9 twos are. 1 by 9 into 27, 9 ones are 9 threes. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. 3 numbers are 1, 2, 3. Nodri, check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. The sum of 3 number is 6. 3 number ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ 1, 2, 3. 3 number add ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? Sum of 3 number is 6. This is word problem. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಸೈನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಸೈನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, 5 mark ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ. 41st ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 41 is over in matrix method, that is based on determinant topic, that is in matrix method. Next, question number 42 belongs to differentiation, that is second order differentiation. We will discuss next class. Okay, thank you students.